guys, it's Shannon, and today I am bringing you a quick video of world race packing. Disclaimer: everyone going on the world race is bound to their own conscience, convictions, wants, and needs. Every packing list literally looks different because everyone is different. These are just simply some things that I did while I was on the world race. 5 things I do not regret bringing on the world race. Number 1, my study Bible. I do not regret bringing this at all. I used it so much for personal studies, Bible studies, devos. Bring what you use at home, you won't regret it. Number 2, guitar. If you use it at home, you're going to use it on the world race. It's used for so much ministry and kids love it. Number 3, laptop with hard drive. Use this so much for making videos, for writing blogs. If you are not into those things at all, just bring a phone or a tablet or something small that doesn't take up as much space. But if you are editing videos, you will need a computer and a hard drive to save everything and to edit really well. Number 4, a 40-ounce Hydro Flask. These things are amazing. I drink a lot of water, and this just really helped me be able to do that really effectively. And also for travel days, it was fantastic to not have to buy as much water because I just fill this baby up. Also, it'd be super sweet if you had a straw and not this lid. Bumpy travel days. Number 5, my Zen Bivy. My Zen Bivy is my sleeping bag. I love it so much. It's more of a quilt than a sleeping bag, so it's really effective for everything that you need as far as just throw it around yourself or if you sprawl out whenever you sleep. I love it. I use it every single month. 5 things I regret bringing. Number 1, water purifiers. Every single team has a water purifier. You don't need to bring it, and you can buy water everywhere. Number 2, so many clothes. Literally just pack for a weekend. Everybody will say that every single time. Literally just pack for a weekend, share with your friends. You can buy new clothes. It doesn't matter. Number 3, a checked size pack. I really wish I brought a smaller pack that I could just be able to carry on during travel days and not have to check it and not have to carry it around when we had to walk to get to anywhere. It was a hassle. Number 4, my Thermarest sleeping pad. Honestly, any sleeping pad. I only used the sleeping pad for 2 weeks out of the whole world race, so I kind of regret bringing it, but I will use it for other things. Number 5, extra pens. They are pennies overseas. Don't bring all the pens. They take up a lot of space. 5 things I wish I brought. Number 1, a smaller pack, like I said earlier. Number 2, makeup. I really wish I could feel like a woman sometimes on the world race, especially when you get to month 8. Hint, hint. Number 3, the Game Dutch Blitz. Nobody brought it on my squad. Number 4, Spotify Premium. Regular Spotify only works for 2 weeks overseas, and then you're done. So definitely get Spotify Premium or make sure you download a lot of music. Number 5, cute clothes, especially for month 8. Hint, hint again, you're going to want to look cute in month 8. You will be sick of world race clothes. 5 things I'm glad I didn't bring. Number 1, a tent. None of my teams used a tent, so I'm really glad that I didn't bring that. Number 2, hammock. Everyone has a hammock. They will share with you, I promise. Number 3, a 65-liter pack. Like I said earlier, smaller pack, better, at least for me. Number 4, heavy shoes. Everything takes up weight. Shoes do too. Number 5, lots of liquids. It's really nice when you don't have to worry about things exploding in your pack. 5 things you can buy anywhere in the world. Toiletries, makeup, clothes and shoes, food, snacks, peanut butter, water. Let me just say there are stores and there are malls on the other side of the world outside of the US of A. 5 apps I use the most on the world race. Currency XE. It's easy to figure out what currency differences there are from US to other countries. Also, if you are the money person on the team, it's really nice to have this app. Number 2, Google Translate. Tip, download the language before you get to the country, not after. Number 3, 1 second a day. It's really fun to look back and be able to see 1 second of every single day on the race. It brings for so many memories and so many connections. Number 4, Messenger, Facebook Messenger. I use this all the time. I did not use WhatsApp, and it's just super easy to connect. Video, text, easy. Number 5, VPN app. I use this to be able to still post Christian stuff in countries that you're not allowed to do that. This is a very short video about packing for the world race. Please comment below if you have any other questions about the world race as far as packing goes or anything else in particular. Be sure to like and subscribe and find joy in the little things and give God glory in all things. Bye!